Guys, check it out. This is what makes this hobby so great. You go to a local park, you run into a couple other RC enthusiasts with a big boy Typhon and a Kraton. Whoa, I got way wild. I can't even see myself. Oh, I'm in the dust.
Oh no! I'm back in it. I'm back in it.
I can't see. Oh, there we go. Whoa, I hit the fence now. Oh, I lost it. Oh man, I got lucky right there. I got so lucky. Oh, the Kraton just got too much power. Oh, nice. Oh, I lost it big time.
Oh man!
Oh, he got us again.
You got second.
Second, heck yeah, I'll take it. Second place. No, you know what? I hit low voltage. I didn't charge that battery. I got a 2S. I'll pop it in. You know what? I actually might do a little bit better on 2S. It'll be a little bit more controllable. Maybe. Oh, I'm out of control. Oh, rocking the servo. There we go. Got it back. Oh no! Oh, sorry. Well, it's a little bit more controllable on 2S, but it's not any faster. Oh, you did? You're running 4S?
Yeah.
You running 4S too? Okay, I'm running 2S, guys. It's not looking good for me. Oh, crash! Crash in turn one. I went so blind from the dirt, I drove out in the field. Oh, I got the base. Huge crash. Oh, I was doing so good for a minute there too. I was hanging. Oh, we got the custom build Typhon. Oh no, Senton's coming in for the cheat.
I just stopped because I can't see.
I saw somebody climb the fence. Somebody just went up the fence. Guys, there we go. I got my butt kicked, but it was fun. Have a go, man.
You too, man. All right.
See you, buddy.